Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Honda Civic EXL, stock number E1692PA. 42,000 miles on this local trade, clean auto check history report, modern steel metallic in color. Civic is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Custom fit rubber floor mats throughout for easy cleaning. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. The carpet floor mats as well. Pull the tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Very clean as you can see. This EXL has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read high mounted gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Radio. You can even connect smartphones to Pandora and AHA radio apps. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this Civic has a 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder, 143 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon and a city average of 39 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Civic, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.